How to fix a can't install Tinder application in your Play Store. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Settings application from your device. Now at this page, scroll below to Apps, and here search for Google Play Store. As you do so, tap onto Storage, and here clear the cache. Now come back to the app info page, then tap on Force Stop on your bottom right, tap on OK. Now go back to your home screen and see if this fixes your problem. If not, head over to your Play Store from your device. You will see your initial on your top right corner, tap onto it and head over to Settings. Tap on General, scroll below and tap on Network Preferences. Here tap on App Download Preference and make sure that you have toggled it on to over any network. Tap on OK, then tap on Auto Update Apps and do the same. And do the same for autoplay videos as well. Just like so, this shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.